Prisikah Nanthakumar. So today I'm going to talk about 4 common social issues we face nowadays, which is plastic pollution, teenage smoking, poor time management, and cyberbullying. I'll also share some simple solutions for each problem. Let's start. So the first one is plastic pollution. Normally we use plastic bags, bottles and straws without thinking so much. They are everywhere because they are cheap and easy to use. But the truth is they harm our environment. These plastics end up on land and in rivers or oceans. Animals might eat them or get stuck. That's really dangerous for nature. Why does this happen? Mainly because many people aren't aware of how serious it is. Also, plastic is just too convenient and cheap. But there are simple solutions. One way is to ban single-use plastics. Another idea is to use reusable bags, bottles and containers instead. Also, we can create a reward system. For example, if people bring their own bags, they can get discounts or points. So overall, if we create awareness and give small rewards, people can slowly change their habits. So the second one is about teenage smoking. Many teens start smoking because of stress or peer pressure. They might see friends doing it or think it looks cool on social media. But smoking is very harmful to health. Once you start, it's hard to stop. It becomes a habit. To solve this, school can organize talks to explain the dangers clearly. Also, stricter rules can help reduce access to cigarettes. And here's another idea. Use popular influencers to spread a no smoking message. Since teens follow influencers, it can be more effective. So using influencers along with school programs is a smart way to reach young people. And the third one is poor time management. Now poor time management is a big issue for students. We often delay our homework, forget deadlines or just feel lost. Why does this happen? Mostly because we don't have a clear plan. Distraction like phones or social media also play a big role. Sometimes we don't set goals or prioritize. To solve this, we can use a digital planner to organize tasks. Time blocking is also useful. That means we set specific times for study, rest and fun. And setting daily goals help us stay on a track. So in short, if we use a digital planner and time blocking, we can manage our time much better. Last but not least, cyberbullying. This happens online like on social media or in chats. Some people use fake accounts to bully others because it's easy to hide online. Bullies feel brave. Victims feel scared, sad and unsafe. It affects their mental health and confidence. To stop this, we can create a safe reporting app. Victims can report the problem easily and get help. School can also teach empathy so students understand how their words affect others. Lastly, parents and teachers need to be more involved and alert. So in conclusion, I use critical thinking to find and solve different problems in my life. Normally, when we face a challenge, we might react quickly or guess. But now I follow clear steps. First, I try to understand the problem. Then I think about it, compare different options and finally choose the best one. This process really helps me face challenges more wisely. I don't just rush, I take time to decide what's best. Because of that, I can now make a better decisions in my life, whether it's in school, at home or even with friends. So thank you so much for listening. I really hope my sharing helps you in some way too. Let's all try to use critical thinking in our daily lives to make better choices. Thank you.